In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a PDF file with clickable links using Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, designing marketing materials, or simply sharing information, knowing how to export your document correctly is essential. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open Canva on your device. Once you've got your design ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, head to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Share. Go ahead and give that a click. This is going to open up a variety of options for sharing and downloading your design. Next, you'll want to click on the Download option. This is where you can choose the format you want your file to be in when you download it to your computer. Now take a moment to click on the down arrow next to the File Type field. This will give you a drop-down menu with several file formats to pick from. You'll see two specific options for PDFs, PDF Standard and PDF Print. If you're planning to send this document via email, which is often the case for sharing documents with clickable links, you'll want to select PDF Standard. This format is perfect for digital sharing since it keeps the file size manageable while maintaining the clickable elements you need. Once you've selected PDF Standard, you'll notice there are two additional options you can adjust. Since your goal is to have a document with clickable links, you'll want to make sure these options are unchecked. This ensures all links remain active and clickable in the final PDF document. Now, with everything set, you can go ahead and proceed with the download. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your design, this might take a few moments. After it's finished downloading, make sure to check your file. Open up the PDF and click on your links to double-check that everything is working as it should. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a PDF from Canva that retains all the clickable links, making your document user-friendly and interactive. This feature is particularly handy for presentations, digital portfolios, or any document where you want to guide your audience to additional online resources. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you're working on your next project in Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.